Hello, my name is Flavia Durac and I'd like to speak about 8 essential selling tips. Every company or brand is trying to sell something, whether it's a product or service, and that's why selling techniques will never become outdated. Here are a few tips for quickly improving your selling skills. It is highly important that you always know how to constantly grow the number of customers, but also how to keep your existing customers coming back for more. Preparation. Before meeting a client for the first time, you should make sure that you have researched his field of work, that you fully understand his company's policies, and that you have studied the competition. You can even search the client online to find out more details about him and his company, so that you won't be caught by surprise when meeting him. Interpersonal skills. Some people find it easy to communicate with others, while others have a hard time doing it. You must always remember that when you are meeting a potential customer, you are representing your company and therefore you should always be well prepared. There are many ways you can improve your interpersonal skills. You can even find courses on the internet which will teach you how to listen to your customer, how to make inquiries, how to receive criticism or praise. First impression counts. If you're meeting the client for the very first time, remember that first impressions are everything. Most people make a first impression about someone in the first 15 seconds after meeting them. Therefore, it's important that you show confidence, look professional, and demand respect from the first time the client lays eyes on you. The first encounter with the client determines the future of your professional relationship. Build a strong relationship with the client. After initializing first contact with the customer, you must build the relationship even further. Otherwise, you risk losing him to your competition, or he may just lose his trust in you and leave. After you have established a relationship with the client, you can consider him as being a regular customer. Sell your benefits. You should always try to show your client what are the benefits of the product or service you are trying to sell. This should be a priority, as the product or service you are selling will bring your company benefits on the long run. Don't rush the customer into buying. Your client should never feel like he's being pushed into making a purchase or closing a deal. This is extremely important, especially when you are at the beginning of establishing a relationship with your customer. Let the client feel as if he is in charge and has full control of the outcome. Always stick to your promises. Whenever you make a commitment regarding a product or service, make sure to follow through. When you have to meet a deadline, never exceed it, and if you're required to extend the deadline, always let your client know in advance. Keep in mind that you are the expert. You should always make it known to your client that you are an expert in the industry and that your opinion counts. He will be more likely to seek your advice and ask for your expertise. Thank you and good luck!